has to start with getting driver trust, because that's really how you can change behavior across your fleet. Because there's one thing I think everyone here knows is true. Drivers will change when coaching feels like it's on their side and it's not punitive to everything they do on the road. And top fleets across every industry are moving from reactive safety programs that rely on only incident review to a more proactive risk prevention strategy. They're actually stopping incidents before they happen, not just saying, oh, this happened, how do I deal with it now?
Obviously, cutting down on accident claims, the cost of accident claims. Again, prior to having cameras in the trucks, whenever a driver was involved in an accident, we really only had to go by what the driver told us, what the other vehicle told us, what the police report told us. The cameras gave us an objective view, lets us see what the drivers saw, So it really took a lot of that guesswork. And a lot of times insurance companies, if there's no solid proof, that your driver wasn't at fault, a lot of times they'll just, accept liability because it's the easiest solution,
Sure.
But when you have video of an accident and you can prove without 100% doubt that your driver didn't do anything wrong, that goes a long way with an insurance company.
There have been some really tremendous successes that you've been able to see at the company. $1.2 million reduction in claims, 0 DOT recordable accidents, safety performance bonuses. I mean, this is truly exciting stuff that we're seeing happen at JL Rothrock.
So the 900 Club is, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but every driver, so at our December safety meeting, we give out awards for drivers that average a score of 900 or better. Like I said, Netradyne says 850 is perfectly fine.
Reducing risk and recognizing safe driving is really critical. Being able to respond in the moment, being able to use real-time in-cab alerts at the point of risk to realign what a driver might be doing. You're able to improve their confidence and help them build safer habits on the road. They're able to see what good looks like, just like Kelby's mentioned with all the programs they've implemented at JL Rothrock, right? They can measure progress. They can build healthy competition amongst the drivers. And it's great when people are credited for doing something good, not just being told, hey, you did this wrong. So what Kelby said about streaks and driver stars, it's all about reinforcing safe, proactive driving, which really is shown on the road between the lack of DOT recordable accidents, the reduction in claims. That's huge.